Hey everyone, welcome back to She's Crafty Paperworks. If you're new here, my name is Jen, and today it's all about Spellbinders May 26th, Small and Large Die of the Month. Boy, did I have fun with this one. Let's take a look. Okay, for this first card, I brought in the small die of the month, which has that little adorable puppy and kitty cat. And I also brought in the Spellbinders collaboration with Allison Frazier, and this one's the Trails End. And this is a perfect, what I call Michigan aesthetic, and it just had a lot of the features that I really wanted with the hammock. My oldest son does a lot of hammocking in the summertime. When he goes camping, that's where he sleeps, is a hammock outside. To be young, I really liked how these trees looked. So what I did was this combination, and I think that this is a great teacher card. There's so many things that I think I can do with this combination. So I was pretty happy with how it came out. On the inside, I stamped Sending Summer Vibes, and that comes from Pretty Pink Posh, and it's just their summer sentiments. And then, oh, this is just an extra tree. I cut it out, but I didn't have room in the front for it. Just wanted to point out, in addition to the Pretty Pink Posh sentiments that I used, I also grabbed from the Sizzix one that was a collaboration with Catherine Pooler. And in that, lots of summertime kind of vibe, different sentiments that also worked well with the Citrus Crush stamp set. This is Concord and Ninth. And I will probably use this one next week as well with the Waffle Flower Under the Sea dies. Those turtles, I can't wait. Okay, so again, one of the things that I do like doing as a crafter is pulling with the stash that I have. It helps save money, and because I'm not sponsored, I'm just a crafter, I am able to mix and match my different companies. So I just encourage you to do that as well. Again, it's a money saver, and sometimes the sentiments will work a little bit better. For this small die, I used that Sizzix sentiment. This is an embossing folder from Joann's. Oh, may she rest in peace. The strips here come from Christina Werner's die that's sold by Concord and Ninth. Keeping with the patriotic theme, I went with this one, and a couple of things to note about this. I used, in addition to the large die of the month, I brought in elements from Sip Sip Olay and Tropical Flare. You may have caught this one on sale in the last couple weeks. It's been on sale multiple times, so it's a really good deal. I think it's more than half off. If I was doing this over, I would have brought this down a little bit. This I think is a little bit too tall, but I would have brought those down a little bit. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with this card. Now, this one I just love. I used my cloud stencil for the back, and I did it in Concord and Ninth color inks with specifically aqua sky and powder. Now for this particular one, you'll see that I brought in the leaves from the other sets, and this Thanks is just one of from my stash. And I stacked that up 3 times to give it some substance. And then on the inside, because I focused so heavily on the citrus, I wrote or stamped "You're the Zest" with a little bit of those extra pieces on the inside. I love this card. I know exactly who this is going to. My mom tried claiming it, but it was already claimed at that point on who I wanted to send this to, who I know will enjoy it. For this card, I use a lot from that Tropical Flare set, and that's where these flowers and a lot of this greenery comes from, although that's also from the large die. The background is embossed with the burlap embossing folder that came from Honeybee. And I just love the way that this came out. I stamped on the inside, sending sunny thoughts, but I had also wanted to hoping to accommodate room for the bird. It just didn't pan out. I just thought it was too busy everywhere that I placed it. And I really liked how this was going in this kind of fashion that I didn't want to disrupt it by putting the bird over here. So what I did was just created a very simple card. And this one's smaller. This is an A2. And with that, the hooray is from Concord and Ninth. Here is the coordinated bird. And then I just used mica sprays from Dilutions, and it was called Polished Jade, and that ended up being very accommodating to the Oceanside card stock that I used. All of my card stock is Concord and Ninth, by the way. And for this final card, I went a little rogue. I didn't use the pop can. I used for the margarita glass from Sip Sip Olay. I do have the bird, and I also used the watermelon from the large die, and then some of the greenery. But I use actually all three die sets for this particular card. The sparkly crystal embellishments come from Honeybee, and on the inside of that, it's just, you deserve this. All right, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. It would really help out the channel a lot if you could subscribe. It's free. I know in the last video I mentioned doing the fuchsia dies for my next video, but I think what I'm going to do is focus on waffle flowers under the sea dies. Those came in the mail, and I'm really excited to use those. So I have a whole bunch to play with, and I think I'm going to get started on that. Plus, I need to get started on my weekender homework. So I will be seeing you soon with lots of videos coming up. So again, subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you soon. Bye.